I have some scallion, carrots, ginger. Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I cut up. These are the spices. I have some smoke. I have some cinnamon powder. I have some Chinese sauce, cooking wine, sesame sauce, cooking wine. Use my clean fingers and massage it. Alright. So this oil is very hot, and I'm gonna add the beef. Okay. This is some strip beef that I have here. Very fine. Okay. This is my take. Okay. I cut it very thin. Cover this down. So now it's bring its own liquid. So I'm going to let all of this fry. Ginger. And I'm going to start everything that I add or use into this. Now you put in the description bar down with some bell pepper, red, yellow, green, and orange, carrots, and again I didn't remember to mention the baby will be mentioned adding this to this extra. Stir it up a little. And then guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial as to how I do my funny sauce. I will be listing everything in the description bar down below. Then use the spoon and mix. Okay, till everything is cooked to the pot and let it hot. So this is the oil, it's hot, and I have some boiling water in this kettle. I'm gonna add the rice. Alright, and we're gonna stir. Alright. So now I'm gonna turn this stove down, the heat, because the water that I had in it. Again, I'm gonna add a little sugar into this, just a pinch of sugar to taste, not so sweety. Okay. I'm gonna turn it down, and then I'm gonna half of your fingertip. Okay, and cover it down and leave it on low heat. The water. Stir it up well. Make sure so that everything that you need and your taste, and then you cover and leave. Okay. Still have to put a little bit more water, but I'm gonna let this steam first because we're steaming this rice as we speak. All right, stir it up well. See, as you can see, the rice swells, right? But it's not fully cooked. All right, let me still. We'll see it nice. All right. Now, if you want this rice not stiff, and you want it a bit soft, then you could add just a pinch more of the water. Must be your choice. Now you could add a bit oil more here. Oh, to see the steam. Again, it's remember low fire we have this on. All right. Now you could add anything of your choice. If you want to do vegetable fried rice, you just steam your vegetables and then add it here. Or anything else, chicken, whatever, right? I'm gonna leave this just the way this is now, and then I'm gonna go the next step, which is I'm gonna make some beef and egg fried rice. Alright, so you stay tuned for the next step. So here are the ingredients for the egg fried rice. Salt it is, black pepper, optional, and you could add anything of your choice. Beat up, beat well. So this is it after finish beating it up, and this is the beef, okay, with some carrots and cabbage, corn. We'll be adding into the fried rice. So the oil is hot here. I'm gonna add the, and I'm gonna stir it so it could get scrambled. Right? So beef and egg fried rice. Ooh, look at this. Juicy and nice.